Every business that is made solely for making money will have a problem because it lacks a purpose. Most businesses that survive are made to meet a need, provide a service, or offer something that people need. That's why it's a noble cause for a person to develop a business that says, I am developing a way to provide a service. Generally, these businesses involve skills, talents, and things that people are quite passionate about. It could be a person who sings, writes a book, has knowledge in finance and helps people improve their finances, focuses on fitness, cooks, manages, knows about technology, and more. These individuals provide services to help others, and that is a noble business. The result is that they make money and can help their family and other families. They can sell cars, start a company providing different services, create products for others, or distribute products. Some engage in noble causes such as serving the community, visiting people, and helping the needy. The important thing is that each of these individuals can appreciate and see the value of what each person contributes, whether they are an entrepreneur or someone providing assistance, even if it doesn't necessarily generate money. The problem arises when people start criticizing or pointing fingers, saying, oh, you're in business just for dishonest gains without evidence, which is not true. This undermines the efforts of someone who is providing a service, helping the community, or delivering a product to others, similar to what another person does by offering help and investing their time, even if they don't have money to invest. Both are important, both are necessary, and both should collaborate. Once these two individuals, let's say an entrepreneur and a person providing community assistance, join forces, they begin to generate and produce more assistance for people. This benefits the community and individuals. So, we should have more awareness of who we are, whether an entrepreneur or someone providing community help, recognizing that we need each other and can support each other.